Hey guys, I'm up early. It's a beautiful, beautiful car. I'm up early. It's 7 o'clock. I'm going to have a day of... That wing's fine, but I need to do a little few repairs on that wing. So we're going to have a day of welding. I'm going to have a day of rubbing down and painting. And I'm also going to paint some bits for the Mark II Supra. Cam covers and things like that. Ready to go on when the engine goes back on. I might also complete the manual gearbox conversion now I've got all the bits. So I might do that too. Alright, let's get started. S12 wing here, it's a little bit worse for wear around here and around here, but this one's a good one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the profile from this one with a bit of cardboard and reverse it and then trim it to where I need it to go. So that's what we're going to do. So I'll be making this up, welding a panel in from the back onto here. It's a shame really, because they were supposed to be good wings, but it's actually good round the lip up to about here, so we'll be replacing this. Alright, we'll be replacing this, but this bit might be a bit tricky, but this bit I'll do first, the easy bit. We'll get that done. It's on the inside edge, isn't it? Which sort of follows the same shape down to here, and then it sort of comes back on itself, but I know this bit is hidden as well. The back bit is the good bit, which is here, which is quite lucky, and that bit is just a straight curve down, which we can fix that quite happily, that bit, and it is missing the tab off the bottom for securing it, so I will make that bit up as well. Interesting stuff. Let's go. My first impression round here, which I'm going to cut round, and that should slot into the other one on the other side. Let's go. That fits pretty well, so that should make up the profile for that wing there. Now I'm going to do it where I can see where the line is here, so we're going to line it up with here on this side. That one should go into the wing on the other side. Let's go. As you can see, that lines up there perfectly, so that is how that wing should be on this side. Alright, and I'll need to make up that bit, another bit at the end. Profile that bit as well, which is that bit there with the tab on it. And I've just got this little bit here to make up in the middle, which shouldn't be too hard. It's a little bit of a step there, which is absolutely fine. I can get that done. Yeah, I'll get that off the other one. Cut these bits out of metal now. There's another bit, and I might do this all in sections, just to make it easy. Trim that up now because that bit's not needed. Yeah, I might do it all in sections. And then we've got that bit there. Make it all up. Let's go. Trimmed it up a little bit for welding. I'm obviously gonna put that in there so that sits there nicely. We're gonna get some thin metal now and start cutting. I think I've got some thin metal, panel metal, for making panels. So let's have a look. And then we'll have to do this side, lovely jubbly. Then time to get cutting. Might do the other side as well while I'm at it. Might just do this side quickly. It's not too bad this side. Get that done. Bit of lip there still, thankfully. Just get that side repaired up. Missing a little bit there. It's done as well, and I just need to make the lips up. So mark this out and get cutting as well. But I don't need it this much on here. I'm going to leave that there, probably go to about there. Yeah, about there is fine. I've marked it, do that, cut that out. And so metal out, one piece cut out, got the rest to cut out. Cut out, that is pretty damn perfect. Just follows the line perfectly, look. Really, really nice. Really, really nice, all lined up beautifully. You also need to cut that bit out there, drill it out. Once that does, that will just slot right in there where it needs to. And obviously we've got a little bit, which I think it was, which one? That one there. Obviously I'll infill that bit there. I just need to bend it and cut it after I do this bit. Need to cut this bit out now. Get that bit cut out of there. Let's go. There's the grinder. Ready. So lucky to hold this obviously, but let's clean these up a little bit and clean these up a little bit, and yeah, we can get started. Let's go. Now, it's a lovely bit of metal which I've just bent up by hand, and that should replicate that. So if you put that on there, line it up nicely. Also, I need to address this little lip here for the moment. But that is pretty much perfect. A little bit more like tap in, it'll be perfect. That, so I just need to smooth that bit out there for a minute. That'll be lovely. Holes, I can get this one lined up, and then clean this up out here. Probably clean that up too before I put this one on. Just clean that all up. Clean it up, back to good metal. It's in there perfectly. So we're going to tack this up this bit. Let's go. Clean it a little bit more here. It's got a few little nice tacks. I'm going to start tacking around there, clamping it all down. It'll start taking shape. It's tacked up. It's time to tack this one up. Let's get this one tacked up as well. Now that bit perfectly fits there, so I'm going to weld that bit in there after I put a few more tacks on here and hold it nice and strong. Let's go. Now I need to get a strip around there, same profile as that one there, and then yeah, make it up. I might turn it over and do some welding on the other side. It's looking alright so far. I'm quite happy with it. Quite happy indeed. I might have to redo a couple of these welds here. There's a little pinprick hole in that one, but nothing that a little bit of filler won't sort out. Lovely jubbly. Let's get it done. Let's clean up a little bit here. Weld up a bit better and a bit stronger. Good stuff. And the hole's already drilled through. Let's get with cleaning. La 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 la. Flip it over. I think flip it over. Make this lip up actually. Let's make the lip up first. The lip goes all the way down to there, up to the curve. So get a lip on there, I think. Let's go. Right, and now to make the lip which goes down here, I'm going to make it from here and put it on the inside. And as you know, every great build starts with cardboard. So make that bit there, starting from there. It starts from this bit here. Alright, let's get it done. Let's get it done. Push that and made the impression on that and with the two holes in there. So now we'll take that off. All I've got to do is cut around that. Let's go. I need to cut a little strip out like that. Let's go. Just made this lip here which I need to drill the holes in, and that'll be welded in place. I just need to add the bottom section on there. It's a bit tricky to get to all in one piece in the curve, so I've done it like that. Yeah, let's drill the holes first now, and then as you can see, that's essentially that curve there. And drill the holes, and then we're ready to go. Good to go. Good to start welding. I do say it's looking pretty good so far. Made a little bit boo-boo there, but it can be sorted out. But yeah, it's looking pretty good so far. Et voila. I just need to make up this bit here. Fantastic. Let's go. That's looking good so far. Looking very good. Just need to put this bit in here now. What do I do with that bit? I don't know. I have to find it now. The last piece. Let's get it welded up. Lovely jubbly. Pretty fancy. pretty fancy. Pretty good from there. Let's go. Now that side is sufficiently welded. All I need to do is just sort out the front side. That is in there absolutely solid. Not going anywhere. Still very hot. But yeah, looking really nice. Done a really nice job of that. Really nice job. Perfect. Very happy. Let's go. On to the other side maybe first. I think I'll sort out one side first and then move on to the other. Now that's off, we're going to clean that and weld that. Alright, we're going to clean it all up and let's just, oh sorry, where's the rubber gone that I just took off? There it is. Alright, I'll clean it up on the other side as well. All good. I'll weld that one before I take off them bits, but this side's actually alright. This side was the worst bit, but it's going to be a good repair after I'm done. Very good. Very happy. Rolled that end over, drilled a few holes. I'm going to spot weld it all here to strengthen it all up. It's not that it's not strong already, but it is, and it'll hold the edges down. Yeah, we're going to get it done. You can see where it's been welded on. It's really nice. Make a nice strong wing out of it, clean it all up. It'll be clean afterwards, and just need a little bit of filler on it. But yeah, we're going to get all these edges welded down strong as well. Put a few bits on the edges here. Alright, let's get started. Let's go. It's going pretty well so far. Obviously, it will get all cleaned up. It's not going to look like this. Yeah. Looking pretty good so far, looking pretty good. Just make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'm now going to do this bit here. Yeah, like and share. Put a lot of effort into my builds. Couldn't get any new S12 front wings, and obviously that one's a really good wing. This one was not so good. So yeah, like, share and subscribe, and we'll get this done. I'm really happy with that. That's turned out awesome. That is really good. Really good that's turned out. It's in a bit here. There's a bit of filler in here, but it's fine. I'm going to clamp this down, make it all better as one piece, okay? Actually got these from my good friend Tony when he lost his leg, so yeah, these are some of his, so I'll cherish these. So I'm going to use them now to get that nice and buttered up lovely. Good stuff. Basically being spot welded, or plug welded rather, everywhere, and it's going to be absolutely solid, so I just need to rub it down. But yeah, I'll leave that, probably give it the body shop to do. Rub it down, clean it up. Got to do this side. I'm pretty impressed with how it turned out, to be honest. Pretty good. Pretty good. Past 11, time for a tea break. Cut these bits out, and then I can make up that bit, and this wing's done. That's nice. Very good. So yeah, I'll just trace these out before I go inside. Away we go. The brake it was hard to bend that into shape, and that's pretty damn good. So that's a good one to go. Just need to make up that corner around there, obviously. All good. Turn dark completely. There we go. Ready?
Yeah.
Good one. Yeah, nice, good weld then. Nice on there, thank you. 1,000 more to do. Smoking, go on, babe. Tacked in, just need to get this bit here tacked in now, just let in there, slipped it underneath, make a good bit there. So right, that's kind of covered by that, but that's good. We'll get that done. Let's go. And I've managed to set a light to the rubber on the other side as well, which wasn't the best idea, but it stinks. Need to make up a lip now for this, then sort this bit out. Let's go. So I'm just going to make up this little corner here first, so I can get a nice run up to this here, because it's a bit tatty around here. So I was half debating cutting this all off. I might do that, in fact, but gives it some strength. I might actually cut that off low down. The reason why I've done it there is because it actually gave it some strength to the front panel. It was only this bit on here that was tatty really on that, so there's still some strength there on those bits. It was this bit that was kind of missing. But yeah, I might actually trim this off, put a nice new section in, but I'm going to get this bit on here first just so I can follow the line nicely. And that is going as it's supposed to go then. Look, lovely. Let's go. That corner's on there lovely and strong. I'll make a strip up here, do it in a couple of strips I think. Let's get it done. One strip ready, just need to put some holes in it. Looking good. And then we've got that last bit to make up after that. Turn it over and clean it up. I'm going to get this crap off the front of here as well. Get all that crap off the front. Oh, ladybug, go on, off you go. Alright, maybe it's time for some food as well actually. It's quite late. Let's go. Well, I know this bit's going to be behind the splitter, but I just want to close it off, make it profiled as it should be, like on this one. So it comes out a bit, kicks out a bit, follows that down, curvature, which is what I'm going to do with this here. So I'll get that done now. Necessary, but there we go, final piece of the puzzle. I would not worry about what it looks like just yet, because it's going to get all done up, so there we go. There we go, it's all filled in. That is absolutely lovely. All I need to do now is just fill in these little pinprick holes, and away we go. Not that it's going to be seen, but I just want to fill them in. So let's get it done, and away we go. Away we go. Oh, a little bit there as well, I'll do that bit too. Let's go. All done. I think I'm all done. What a pain in the arse. Might just rub it down a little bit with a sanded disc and then give it to the body shop to do the rest. Good stuff. Looking good. Quite impressed with that today. Nice one. Definitely strong. I'm just tidying up this bit. Remember, it's got all the welding on the back side, so this is just extra on here. I need to tidy up this little bit a bit better. But yeah, it's coming up nice. we'll get a bit of filler on top of this, and yeah, be a good solid strong wing, plenty of years to come. This bit's super solid down there, lovely. Alright, done it with a gasless MIG, hence why it looks a little bit not that great, but on the back it's lovely. Guys, and there we go. Thank you so much for watching. Good penetration on them, as you can see. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Like, share and subscribe, and check out my other videos. See you in the next one. Fiberglass filler, we're good to go. Holes are drilled. Boom boom, let's get it on. Each slim sliver of fiberglass filler, and none the wiser. Thank God this one's good. Nah, it's alright actually, it's pretty good repair, I'm pretty happy with that. So yeah, take it to the body shop, let them finish it off. Good stuff. I believe this has taken me a whole day. Now 16:47, so yeah, pretty much a whole day on this. Oi oi oi. Alright. Guys, check out my other builds please. If you want to buy a wicked S12, hit me up. It's getting all the works, and this is just one of them. Yeah, mostly engine work and stuff, man. Bigger turbo, all that sort of stuff. Mechanically done. Let's go. Seam sealer. Let it set a bit and smear it with a wet finger. Let's go. All seam sealed up, all smeared in lovely, all in all the crevices, and we are calling that a day today. I think can't do anything else today. Calling that a day. Good stuff. Let's go. Check out the NSX build. Thanks for watching. Usual, thought I was done, but I've just taken off all this crap here. I'm taking off, just taking off this one. I'm going to take off this one as well, and take off all the crap behind it. Right, let's go. Need to clean up these too. Right, okay. That's confused me a little. What? Oh, of course it is. I've just taken them all off, haven't I? Long day, guys, long day. I was thinking, why have I got 5? But I've always just taken that one off. There's not 5, there's only 4, these 4 here. So, yeah, so I've got them off. Bit strange. Oh, that's because the plugs are in there, aren't they? Yes, the plugs are in there. Anyway, right, sorry. Just need to clean up this now. This thing's quite nice, as you can see. A little dent there, I'll get that sorted at the body shop. But yeah, it's looking good. Looking good. Get it sorted, and that's it. But, we're calling that a day. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, check out other builds. Thanks very much, guys. See you in the next one. Guys, leave your comments in the comments section below how you think this repair went today. If you want to buy an awesome S12 when it's done, please hit me up on Instagram at Montani Racing, and I will see you in the next one. Check out my other builds. Thank you very much.